Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to clear Microsoft Edge browser history. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To clear Microsoft Edge browser history, open Microsoft Edge browser. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on history. These all are browser history, and I'm going to clean all these histories. Now click on delete icon on history. Look here, you can select the time range, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. I'm selecting all time. You have to select all the options which you want to clear. I want to select all options here: browser history, download history, cookies, other site data, cached image and files, and other information also. I want to delete everything. So you have to check everything. Now click on clear now. All browser history data has been deleted right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.